morning, children. Today we are going to start chapter 7, that is Bharat Desh. Now, how do you feel when you hear the word Bharat? Don't you have a feeling of patriotism in you? So when we hear this word Bharat, a feeling of patriotism comes in our mind. So the main aim of this poem is patriotism, and it is written by Subramanyam Bharati. Now I'll just read the poem. With the name of Bharat Desh on our lips, let us shake off our fears and poverty and overcome our sorrows and enemies. Now the poet is saying that if we have the name of Bharat on our lips, we can do anything, whatever we want. We can remove the fear, whatever जो भी हमारे अंदर डर है, उसको हम हटा सकते हैं. How, children? By being motivated by this name Bharat. And we can even remove poverty. Poverty means the state of being poor. जो गरीब हैं, गरीबी है. And that too can be removed if we have the name of Bharat on our lips. We'll work together, we'll work hard, and by that, with the help of that, poverty can be removed from our country and overcome our sorrows and enemies. We can even remove our sorrows. Sorrows means sadness, whatever took the cleave we have got in our life, that can be overcome by having name of Bharat on our lips. And even we can fight our enemies. If we have this name on our lips, we can even fight with our enemies. And this patriotism will help you to do this. So in the first two lines, what is the main theme of our poem? What is the main theme? I have told you, patriotism. And so the message in the first two lines is to remove poverty and fear from our country. And this can be done only if we have feeling of patriotism in us. अगर हम अपने भारत के लिए ही सोचेंगे, तो with the help of this name, we can remove this from our country. We shall stroll on the snow-clad silvery heights of the Himalayas. Our ship shall sail across the high seas. Now we should have high spirit, children. We should have high spirit, and we should try to climb the silvery heights of the Himalayas. Stroll means to move leisurely without any fear or something. We can move on the Himalayas. And why are the Himalayas called silvery? Because you know, children, that Himalayas are always covered with snow. And when the rays of the sun fall on the Himalayas, it shines. Just imagine that on the snow, when the rays of the sun is falling, it will shine and it will give you the effect of silver. So here the poet is telling us that we should have this spirit in our us, that without any fear we are going to climb that Himalayas. Our ships shall sail across the high seas, and our ship will also go to other countries without any fear. This we should have in our mind. We shall set up schools, all separate temples for us. Now here the schools are compared as temple. Here a figurative language is used, and that is metaphor. Metaphor and simile I will be explaining you after the poem. Now here schools are compared with temples, and temples are always considered as sacred because their deities are kept and we worship God. So we are going to set up school that will be sacred as temple. Here directly we are comparing the school with the temples. and proudly thump our shoulders and utter the name of the land of ours, Bharat. And by doing all these things, we will be feeling proud that we have completed all this work, and we are going by, and this is all because we have Bharat, the name of Bharat on our lips. We can say that this is our Bharat. Why? Because our sorrow, poverty, fear, enemy, all are shaken off, all are rid of. Everything we have removed from our country, and so after that we can say that this is our Bharat. With the name of Bharat on our lips, let us shake off fears and poverty. So here you can say that here it is a repetition of life. Now when you want to do something, when you want someone to do something, what happens, children? We keep on repeating the things. Ye karo, ye karo, ye karo. Why? Because we are laying stress on something that you have to complete this work. So here the poet is telling that you have to keep this name Bharat on your lips. Always have this Bharat on our mind. Then only you can remove fear and poverty. Most of the children think that after getting higher studies we are going to foreign countries. Why don't we stay in our own country and try to improve our country? This should be our motto, that Bharat is my country and I have to live here and I have to remove everything from here. Maybe poverty, maybe fear, maybe enemies. I have to improve my country. This is the main message in this poem. We shall make tools and weapons. We shall produce paper. We shall open factories and school. We shall never be lazy or weary. We shall be ever generous. We shall always speak the truth. With the name of Bharat Desh on our lips, let us shake off fears and poverty. Now again the poet is saying that if we have this quality in us, if we have this patriotism in us, we can do anything whatever we want. We can make our own tools and weapons, and paper also we can make. We will open factories and school. Why, children? Because we will be working hard. We will be only thinking about our Bharat, and then with the help of that name only we can do whatever wonders for our country. And we will not be lazy or weary. We will not be tired. We will work together. We shall ever be generous. Generous means kind-hearted. And we shall never speak truth. With the name of Bharat on our lips, let us shake off fears and poverty. So the poet is again repeating the same thing, that we should have the name of Bharat on our lips, and we should always have high spirits for our country, so that we can do wonders for our country. We can improve the economic condition of our country, and our country will prosper. We have to be working. We don't have to be lazy or tired. We have to be kind-hearted. Both scriptures and sciences we shall learn, and heavens and ocean we will explore. The mysteries of moon we shall unravel. The art of street sweeping too we shall learn. With the name of Bharat Desh on our lips, let us shake off our fears and poverty. Now both scriptures and sciences, scriptures means our history. Like we are in our school, we are learning how to do Havan also. We are learning some our culture by studying Dham Shiksha. So history also we are going to learn, and we are going to also learn about the science, the new experiments, the new things we'll discover. The heavens, the highest point, and the ocean, the lowest point, both we are going to explore. And whatever is in the moon, we are going to discover. We are going to discover what is in the heaven and what is in the ocean. And then we are also going to learn the art of street sweeping, means how we have to follow a hygienic lifestyle. We are not going to throw whatever we want on the road. We are going to learn this, that it is very necessary to keep the surroundings clean. So this art we are also going to learn. A government can't do anything unless and until the people of the country or the state follow the rules. So it is very necessary that we should also learn how to keep our country clean. And this we are going to learn, and all this is only possible if we have this Bharat, the name of Bharat on our lips. If we will have this name, we will feel motivated and we will be able to rid of our fears, poverty, enemies. Everything will be removed from our country. So again you will see that the poet is repeating this word: with the name of Bharat on our lips, let us shake off fear and poverty. So the poet is repeating this again and again because he wants that our country should prosper, and this is only possible if we have Bharat ऑन आवर लिप्स. अगर हम अपने ही कंट्री के बारे में हमेशा सोचेंगे तो आवर कंट्री इज़ गोइंग टू प्रॉस्पर. व्हाट डू यू थिंक चिल्ड्रन? Don't you think the same feeling? Don't you have the same feeling? What do you think about it? We will be discussing. So our personal growth, just as we think about our personal growth, we should also think about our motherland's growth. Bharat is our motherland. So we have to think about it. Everything is important for us to learn the scriptures, whatever has gone, whatever is past, whatever is our history, we have to learn about it. And the sciences, the new things, we have to also discover. So everything is important, but this is only possible, we can only do something for our country if we have this feeling in us.